Air source heat pump absorbs free heat from the air. One part of electric energy is converted into 4 parts of heat energy, which is highly efficient, energy-saving, low-carbon and environmentally friendly. Guangdong Feneco New Energy Technology Co., Ltd. focuses on the field of heat pump and energy-saving equipment. It is a national high-tech enterprise integrating ultra-low temperature heat pump products and commercial air conditioning research and development, production, sales and operation services. It has introduced advanced technology for heat pump manufacturing in Europe. With energy-saving and efficient heat pump products, it widely serves families, schools, hotels, enterprises, and can meet multiple needs such as 24 hours hot water, heating, and cooling at the same time. It is committed to making every family have a comfortable and healthy environment. The industry's first patented zero-vibration DC inverter heat pump technology. The product runs stably, has low noise, fast heating, super energy saving, and intelligent characteristics, meeting the requirement of heating under ultra-low temperature of -38 degrees in winter and strong cooling at high temperature of 52 degrees in summer. The company has 3 heat pump production lines with an annual output of 80,000 sets. We have also built professional commodity inspection rooms, -30 degree long-term fatigue operation laboratories, national level -40 degree ultra-low temperature heat pump performance laboratories, and other advanced industry equipment to ensure that the products developed and produced can be comprehensively tested and fully verified. The company has won many patent technologies and honors: EUCE certification, ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification, Keymark certification. The company adheres to the purpose of technological innovation, leading service, integrity and win-win pursuit of excellence, and is committed to becoming a global energy saving